Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to send PDF as a link. So let's start. First of all, you can see this is PDF which I want to send as a link. Now to send this as a link, first of all, I'll copy this to my Google Drive. For that, I'll go to my Gmail. Over here you can see this is my Gmail. And now I'll go to this Google Drive, and over here from this PDF, I'll just copy and paste. And now you can see it's uploaded on Google Drive. Now I'll open this. You can see this is the slip which is recently uploaded. Now to get the link, click on these three dots over here. And now click on this share and again click on this share. After that you can see here is general access, that is restricted. Click on this and now change it to anyone with the link. After that, just copy this link and now you can share this PDF as link to anyone you want. Now if I paste this link on this Google Chrome and hit enter, and you can see this is the PDF which will be shared as a link. In this way we can share PDF as a link. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.